everyone. So I'm here to do my install of my U-part wig enclosure. I had posted a picture on Instagram and a couple of people wanted to know how I did it. So yeah, I guess it was time for me. I needed to take it out and redo it anyways because I needed to redo my braids in the front. I'm clearly cheating because I didn't take out all my cornrows. I just took out the ones in the front that I'm going to rebraid, and that's what I'm about to do now. Sorry, Cassidy's up. So I'm done cornrolling my hair, and like I said, I just braid them going this way, and that first braid I take it all around, and that's pretty much it. So let me show you guys my U-part. So this is my U-part. And to make this one this time, I used the Japanese swim cap, and you can order that online. It literally does come from Japan. It comes from overseas. The caps are cheap. What's pricey is the shipping. It's like 14 bucks or something. Like, it's stupid. And the caps are like $3 and change. So if you have someone that wants to get some caps and you don't want to pay shipping by yourself, you might want to go half on the shipping with them. But I like the construction of the cap. It's very sturdy. I ended up cutting the band on my cap just because, I don't know, I'm very funny about the bands on the cap. Like, if they're too thick, I feel like, I don't know, I'm just weird. Maybe it's just me. I do that with a lot of the caps. Like, this is not one, but like, it's the bands like this, like at the end of it, the elastic part. Some people keep it on, some people don't. What I ended up doing was sewing one track inside the cap, like around the perimeter of the band, to where I would stop my U-part, and then I flipped it back over and then sewed my tracks. And this is how it ended up being. Hope you guys can see. So I don't have a band on there at all, but this is what my unit looks like. And it's just a bottom bundle that's like this red color. And how I got this color, I just put 40 Developer on the hair, like the one bundle. This was in the summertime that I did this color. Let it sit out in the sun with foil over it for like an hour or two, and then it lightened the hair. And then I had like a cinnamon rinse from the beauty supply store, the Adore cinnamon rinse, and I just put that in, let that sit for like an hour or so, and that's how I got the color. It was brighter than this, but after a couple of washes, of course it changed, lightened up. This is my closure. It's a tiny little thing. I feel like it's anorexic, but but I like the size of it. So, and I bought this off of someone on Facebook, and it looks like this. This is the back of the closure. This is the front. So, how I install my U-part, I'll cut it a little bit more off of here. I sew mine on, and what I do, I attach like a little bit, like a small amount of an elastic band at the tips on each end, so it looks like this. And I do this because one side, I'm gonna sew it down instead of attaching the elastic band for it to go all around. Because it annoys me, like I get irritated really quick with it. So I just did a piece on each side, and I'm gonna sew it down to wherever it stops, so it still gives you that pulling tension. I need to re-sew mine really quick. That tension pulling, so that the lace mesh and flat. So this is what I mean. Like I usually put mine past my hairline, because by the time I'm done installing, it would have moved and it would be right where it needs to stay. So like this. See how that looks? Okay, so that's what I mean by that. wanted to see. And again, as you guys saw, it's my U-part wig with the closure attached. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and look out for some new videos coming out. I have to do my videos with my daughter in between her nap times, I guess, times when she's awake. Some videos about my delivery and how that went, and hopefully some more hair videos and styling videos. Yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.